So the oil saga continues. With, on the heels, it being November 28th today, OPEC's meeting is November 30th.
Yeah.
We saw a 3% dip in oil on Friday, and then a 2% jump this morning as Iraq said, we're into participating for a production cut. Again, we've said it, this is just a volatile, expected to go up and down. Don't get excited.
You can't really trust what anybody says about what they're willing to participate in anymore.
Zero, absolutely zero. So don't count your chickens before they hatch. On the screen here, we have our price of oil for $45.96. That was as of Friday. It jumped as of this morning to $47, $47.11. Canadian dollar, $73.96. That's down slightly from the week previous. But just keep your eye on it. It's going to bounce around, but as of November 30th, we're going to kind of settle into, I think, what's going to happen for the next 6 months to a year.
I also just want to mention that economically across Canada, and there'll be a lot of trickle-down effects into Alberta, but Justin Trudeau and the Liberal Party are going to be making some pretty big decisions on a bunch of pipelines in the next little bit here, so that'll be very interesting to see what that means. That'll be big for Alberta and BC, and like, we'll have to see.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that are happening. Exactly. There's a lot of different things that are in play right now that could affect things one way or the other. But sound business practices, consistent efforts to grow your business and generate new business each and every day is a sound principle. Keep your expenses in order. So you keep your expenses in check. You will never ever go wrong.
Totally. Okay. Looking at listings, we are down in both of our boards this week, not by much though. Metro Calgary, we're sitting at 5,433 versus 5,504 last week. And in Red Deer, we are at 528 versus 533.
As for the overall market right now, due to a lack of sales, we've actually moved into a bit of a buyer's market overall, just eclipsed over. That is down to 4.19 months of inventory, or up to 4.19. I would say down because I feel like the market has slowed a little bit, which is, again, what we expect every single season. Single family homes still sitting very balanced, almost close to the seller side of balanced. That is at 3.08 months of inventory, and condos are, again, due to lack of sales, slowing down even more. They're at over 6 months now, 6.6 months of inventory. That's easily into a buyer's market.
Looking at our surrounding months of inventory, everything is relatively stable. We're not seeing too many drastic changes over the last couple of weeks. Okotoks at 4.46, Airdrie 5.14, Cochrane 7.7, Strathmore 6.47, Sundre 8.67, and Red Deer at 4.76. And our benchmark price is at $438,900.